Hello and welcome. This is Safa. In this video, we are going to get familiar with Simulink in MATLAB. Simulink is a powerful graphical tool that allows us to model and simulate dynamic systems using blocks instead of writing code. First, we will open Simulink and then we build a simple example model together. Okay, to open Simulink, simply type Simulink in command window and enter. Okay, this opens the Simulink library browser, which contains all the blocks we can use in our model. Okay, let's create a new blank model. This will be our workspace where we can place and connect blocks. Okay, library browser here. Okay, Simulink. We build a very simple example, a step signal passing through an integrator and then displayed on a scope. Okay, from source here, we need a step here, drag to here. From continuous, we need integrator, drag here, and then from sinks, a step blocks, drag here. Now let's connect these blocks together. Okay, here an integrator to a scope. Click run and a scope. Here we can see the result. The input is a step signal and the output is its integral, which is a ramp. In this video, we learned how to open Simulink and build a simple model. In the upcoming videos, we'll use Simulink for more advanced simulation, such as electrical circuits and controllers. Thanks for watching.